In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install DeepSeek app on Windows 11 operating system. So here, web catalog that already installed. So with the help of this web catalog that I'm going to download and install DeepSeek app inside the Windows. So when I open this, all that's come there. Here you can get this app. So let's search here DeepSeek. So here you can see this thing here. You can get this. So let's here DeepSeek AI Assistants. Click on this install. So here this is currently installing, and now here you can see this is installing and downloading the files. This place DeepSeek that added, and this here download and install that's completed. Let's minimize this. Here you can see DeepSeek icon that's created there. So DeepSeek. So let's do here minimize. So this open. If that not open, then you can by clicking this DeepSeek app here you can open this. So this you can select. Let's select first option. Click on this continue. So here you can give your DeepSeek account or do with sign in with Apple or Google. So let's do there Google. Allow, login. Here after you can see DeepSeek. Here you can ask any question. Let's do here. Hi, how can I help you? So you can ask any question there. So here I am searching what exactly generative AI. Press enter. Now you can see this all that's come there. So here you can see DeepSeek app that's come there. By clicking this, you can easily use this. So this is how we can here install DeepSeek app on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.